Welcome back to Anonymous Repair, and today we have a Aspire 1 D270 on the bench. And the complaint on this one is to see if we can get the screen bent far enough backwards. There we go. It's got a BIOS password. Hit F2 to go into the BIOS. We'll see we have enter password. Sometimes if you type it in 3 times wrong, it will give you a code and you got that unlock website, blah blah blah. But this one doesn't have it. So I was reading through the manual. Let's switch over to the manual. So the manual tells us to use a crisis recovery disk if we have a password. So I've got a 2 gig flash drive here, and let's go through the procedure of doing this. So you're going to plug this into your computer. Let's go to this computer. We're going to go right click, format, and we're going to make sure it's FAT32. We're going to start. Yes. I'm going to format this disk. Then we're going to need to download the BIOS file from Acer's website for this machine, the D270. Let's go download. Let's unzip this. Okay, let's open the BIOS. Windows. Go to DOS. Okay. Let's see Windows. Extract all. We need to extract the FD file from this. Let's see if we can 7-zip open archive. Okay, looks like we can do that. Let's right click, 7-zip, extract files. So we're looking for the FD file, this last one here. So we're going to right click, rename, going to call it files. You take that file, you're going to copy it to our flash drive. Right in a root. There we go. Right, let's close that. And let's just go back to the manual. So they say, okay, format this. They don't say FAT32. I assume it's FAT32. We'll just see if this works. Okay, format it. Don't put any extra files in there, just that file. And then we're going to disconnect the AC. Hold down the FN escape button. Plug in the AC. The power lights should turn off and turn back on again. So let's try this. Right, so switch off. I'm running this off a power supply. You'll just unplug this. Let's see if we can get everything in shot here. So I've got a little flash drive plugged in there. So I have to hold down FN and the escape button. And then power on or plug in your charger. Keep this pressed down. Let's press the power button. The flash drive just flashed there. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's reading off the flash drive. As you can see the light flashing here in the bottom. It just switched off. It switched back on. Let's say F2. It says please wait. And we still have a password. Unless our bars flashed failed. Okay, let's read that instruction one more time. Okay, they say, it tries again. FN escape. Let's say keep it in. Press the power button. Nope, that didn't work. We still have the password on there. Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to see what happens if I keep on holding it. Okay, it's reading the flash drive. That's why I like to use a flash drive with the LED on it. Okay. Let's see if the password is still there. And it is. Okay, so after numerous tries, I could not get this thing to work. So I did some more research and I came onto a guy's website. This one. I'll put a link in the description. And I followed his guide on doing this. So let me show you what I did. So I'm going to plug in a flash drive. Okay. So let's open it. Flash drive. Right. So here I've got all the tools. I download Rufus. So you run the Rufus. So that's Rufus. It sees the flash drive. I'm going to tell it to I'm going to use FreeDOS. So we use FreeDOS. And we go start. Wanting all data on this way. That's fine. Well, if there's any data, back it up before you format the flash drive, obviously. Right, once that's done, we're going to copy that file over, go to flash drive, copy the clear password.exe, and then we can close this and unplug the flash drive. Now the next step is, let's just get to my, there we go, desk. So because we can't go into BIOS to change the boot menu, we need to unplug the hard drive. So you're basically forcing it to boot off external media. And plug this in here. So get this on screen. Turn on the laptop. Come on. Alright, turn on the laptop. You can see the Acer screen over there. And it's going to boot into FreeDOS. You go dir. And then we're going to run clnpwd. Just a warning, that website do give you pop-ups. So just be aware of it when you download this file. Okay, now it turns 1 to clean user password, 2 to clean supervisor password. So let's clean supervisor password successfully. Let's just do the user password as well while we're at it. And it says it's clean, so we can go Control Alt Delete, go back. Let's see if it's clean now. Go F2. Oh yeah, we're in the BIOS, and we can access the BIOS now. That's pretty handy. Alright, well, we edit. I always like to do this. Let's do a BIOS update. Let's see if we can do a BIOS update. Alright. So I'm going to just boot off this. Let's go dir set e7 underscore 11. Okay. I'm just doing a BIOS update quickly as well. It's always excuse me, I prefer doing BIOS updates if I can. Flash completed, should reboot. Let's see if we can get into the BIOS again. Please wait. There you go, version 1.10, so BIOS is updated as well. And we're back into the BIOS. So I was looking on YouTube for videos and I couldn't find anything, and I was reading manual, and the manual says use crisis mode. They also got a password clean thing there, which I also tried. Well, couldn't find it, so I'll just link this one down in the description. Like I said, just be aware. When you click on that link, it will open those spammy notification websites for you. So will be this will be it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.